We need more light about each other. Light creates understanding. Understanding creates love. Love creates patience, and patience creates unity. Hello there, I'm Kenzie Savero from SMP Kreativa in Bogor, Indonesia. Today, I will discuss how amazing leaders unite others. True leadership isn't about ordering people around, it's about having people come together to reach a common goal. As potential leaders, we can all play our parts in the unification of others. As youth leaders, we should come up with a solution to the challenges that our entire community faces. When we recognize these common problems, differences vanish as we help each other. At my school, our student council was able to bring various clubs together in order to fight against bullying, which was a common worry in our case. We also must promote independence in our team by giving students the power to lead their own projects. We created a united and stronger community where everyone is valued and responsible. We can connect our work of volunteering to large-scale activities that are important at the global scale, working together not only with the people in our school, but also people all around the world. In the common goals like reducing the impacts of climate change via such projects we participate in. Peer leaders should be the ones to enlighten other members how their action can actually bring changes at the global scale. Through international exchange programs with schools from other countries, we break the bill that divided us. And in that way, we may have different goals, but in the end of the day, we hope for a better future. Impressive leadership is about finding an agreement, creating close-knit communities, and fostering global communication. Malcolm X once said, "You can't separate peace from freedom because no one can be at peace unless he has freedom." Unity is not only about peace, but also about everyone being respected and valued. Young leaders like us should embrace and welcome diverse views, encourage and empower others, and as well as think globally but act locally. By following these strategies, let us join hands to build a more equitable and harmonious future for our communities. Okay then, goodbye.